Okay, back from Vegas, and this shows up at my door today. This is the Maestro AI DMX controller for all of your light needs. And I will say, it's bigger than I thought it would be, just from initial picking it up. It's weighty. You know, it's got the single DMX universe with the audio in, and then several, Ethernet, some USBs, and then your USB-C power. Very interesting. Can't wait to check it out. Review coming at some point in the next few weeks. All right, back from Vegas, and this shows up at my door today. This is the Maestro DMX lighting controller. I've kind of been waiting for this for a while. If you guys have seen ads on TV, on your socials, it's basically an AI algorithm that adjusts to your lighting fixtures and gives you the lighting show that you've always dreamed of. That's at least the advertisement. It's weighty. It's bigger than I thought it would be. And then on the front, we do have our DMX universe, single DMX universe out, and then your audio ins, followed by an Ethernet, a couple of USBs, and a USB-C for power. Very interesting. I'm excited to give it a try. Review should be coming in the next couple of weeks. Maestro.